my nose. Okay? You doing it right now?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, stop it. Hey, what's up? My name is Mahoney. I ride for OutCastBikes, and this is my bike check. I guess we'll start from the back and work our way to the front. I'm riding Odyssey hazard lights in black, laced a Shadow Raptor hub. 9-tooth. I got 18 titanium spokes with 18 king spokes. I have all king spokes going, nipples going around. Riding the shittiest stolen thermalite peg. It's awful. Get it. Riding an orange KMC chain. KMC chains are the best. Riding Odyssey twisted PC pedals in green see-through. And black label cranks. And a Primo 25-tooth sprocket. I ride the Smerico frame, so it's not the best frame, but it does the job. It's got peg things, so I don't really care about them because I ride brakeless. I have a Cane Creek headset with the black label stem and Miami Vice bars with We the People MV grips. I got an RC hazard light rim in the front also. It's limited edition Dayglow orange. Couldn't get one in the back because no one sells them. Again, 18 titanium, 18 kink with the same spokes, and we're on Odyssey, Odyssey tire in the front, keyboard tire, and I'm riding Ammo GLH. On the seat is a black label rail seat because rails are boss.